everyone, good morning Miss. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Tia Zulfiatul Askia. I will explain the main idea of the journal and investigation of need, analyze, and the English textbook used for accounting major student. The first introduction. The ubiquity of textbook utilization in the classroom is well established. For example, most students of 8th grade from different schools, particularly public school, use the same textbook Bahasa Inggris when English rings a bell published by the Indonesian Ministry of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology. In the context of vocational school in Indonesia, most also use the textbook that are designed by MECR. ESP in its proper implementation has not been widely known and adopted in Indonesia. It is indicated by the previous studies which state that curriculum designers in Indonesia have never conducted a needs analysis to discover learners' need from different majors. Purwanti, 2018. Several previous studies conducted to analyze and evaluate the compatibility between English textbook and the needs of vocational school students show that the English textbook that are generally published by the Indonesian Ministry of Education could not meet the needs of vocational school students from various majors. E. Poinji Cahyati et al. 20,040, Nuhamsi and Shahrial 20,070, Oktarin et al. 20,019, Nur and Juaria 20,029. For the reason, there is a need to investigate the use of textbook to see if it fits the needs of specific majors. The second method, the study adopt a qualitative case study to describe a case, identify the key issue of the case, and then analyze the case. Gehring, 2007. To get the needs analyzed data from the student of accounting major, the researcher distributed a need analyzed question. In analyzing the questionnaire data, the researcher what the percentage of each aspect measured, located the trend or the highest percentage of each aspect, read age of student, reason carefully since the questionnaires include open-ended questions, identified response categories, and finally made a narrative interpretation about the needs analysis data. The third, finding and discussion. School context and student profiles. The school located in Lampung provide 8 major which are classified into 2 categories. In the questionnaire, the majority of the students, 68.7%, consider that English is very important for their future career for various reasons. Student difficulties toward general and sub-English skill. The second part of the questionnaire was intended to investigate to what extent the student of accounting major have difficulties on both skill except reading, sub-skill number 5 until 8. Even 16.4% of the students consider this aspect easy. The lowest percentage of this aspect is in the very difficult column, with only 1.5% of the students who consider this aspect as very difficult. Speaking sub-skill also become the skill that have the highest percentage in difficult and moderately difficult columns. Student need towards general and sub-English skill. The third part of a questionnaire was intended to investigate to what extent the student of accounting major need both general and sub-English skills. Generally, as can be seen in table 7, the majority of the students consider that all English sub-skills are needed in the accounting field. This result indicates that reading technical terms in the accounting textbook is needed by the student. This means that the majority of accounting students consider the second aspect of reading skill is needed by them, even very needed. Summary of the student profile and questionnaire result. From the student profile data, it can be concluded that the majority of accounting students agree that English is very important to learn in their field. From the second data, which is the difficulties that the student face in learning English, it can be seen that the majority of the students have significant difficulties in speaking, while reading becomes the skill that the majority of the students really encounter significant difficulties. From the third data, which is student needs towards English skills, the majority of the students agree that all of the skills in English are needed to learn. The textbook analyzed and its compatibility with the student needs. The textbook did not provide the materials that are compatible with their needs, such as giving expression and example of how to communicate with the customer and client, how to negotiate with them, how to deliver an accounting-related presentation, giving the sentence structure, language feature. The textbook also provides examples that are considered general. All the students in FGD agree that this textbook provides general contents that could enhance only their general English skill and is not compatible with the needs of vocational school students, especially accounting students. The last conclusion and recommendation: the students do have difficulty with all English skills except reading. However, the majority of the students choose to speak as the most difficult skill and reading as the easiest skill. A major practical contribution of this study is that it provides neat analysis data of accounting students and ascertains the incompatibility between the textbook and the needs of accounting students. Since the result of the previous studies and this study found out the textbooks that are mostly designed and published by the Ministry of Education and team could not meet the needs of the student. The first recommendation would be before designing teaching material for vocational school students, it is necessary to do a needs analysis beforehand. This study raises a number of opportunities for future research.